Hello, my name is Liz Mohan, and in this video you will learn how to search for a job online using O-Net. I will show you simple tips to help you use the internet to find and pick the right job for you. Let's get started. There are many websites for jobs like Indeed and LinkedIn. One great place to start is O-Net. O-Net is a free website from the U.S. Department of Labor. It helps you find jobs that match your skills, interests, and goals. It also has tools to help you learn more about yourself and your career options. Start by thinking about what you like. What are you good at? And how do you like to work? When a job matches your skills and styles, you will enjoy it more. Before you apply, ask yourself, does this job fit my long-term goals? Think of a job as a short-term position, while a career is made up of all the work you've performed over time. Choosing a career that fulfills all spheres of your life can be challenging. O-Net helps you find jobs that matches your career goals by aligning your interests, skills, education, and your needs with all the open positions. It also helps you think about important things like pay and work hours, even where you want to work. One way O-Net does this is with an interactive tool, the Interest Profiler. It helps you understand what types of jobs you may enjoy. To use it, go to mynextmove.org, click the Start button, and under Discover Your Interest, you will complete the questions. Now let's look at two more helpful tools. First, the Salary Estimator. It helps you figure out how much money you will need each year. To use it, make a copy of the file and save it with your name. Enter your monthly costs like housing, food, and transportation. The tool will do the math for you. Next, do the Values Survey. It helps you choose what is most important in a career, like good benefits, location, or job satisfaction. Using both tools together helps you plan the future that fits your goals. Now you know what kind of job and career you want, let's learn how to find them. Go to onetonline.org. Type a job name in the search bar and click Go. You can also search by features like Bright Outlook Jobs. Bright Outlook jobs are growing fast and have lots of new openings. Let's look at one example. I'll search for electrician. When you see skills, needs, pay, training, and other similar jobs, all while you're searching, you can also find ways to network and grow your career. Finally, let's review with a few questions. What websites can you use to find jobs that match your interests? What is the difference between a job and a career? Why is it important to match your skills to a job? What does Bright Outlook mean? What could this Salary Estimator help you figure out? That's it for this video. Now it's your turn to explore O-Net and find your future job.